Welcome to Virtualize Everything, where we strive to inform and educate the viewer about technology. Today's presentation is going to be about unzipping a .gz or tar.gz file on a Mac using OSX. The first step you're going to want to do is open your Launchpad and then select the other folder. With the other folder, you can select your terminal and open a terminal window. This window will have different colorization and generally look different than that of a terminal window in Linux. But if you look close, it will be fairly similar. The first step, and the only real step that you're going to have to take, is to navigate to the folder where you have downloaded the .gz or the tar.gz file. In my case today, it's going to be placed on the desktop. The folder we're looking at, or the file that we're looking at, decompressing, is going to be the pfSense install. Once you have CD'd to the desktop or directory where this file is stored, you're going to use the command unzip -f and place the file after it. It has been my experience that if you place a path instead of just a file name, unzip will fail. So make sure you have CD'd to the correct directory to where your file is before using unzip. So you only have to place the file name at the end of the unzip -f command. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. As always, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Every subscription helps Virtualize Everything get closer to our goal of 1,000 subscribers. Meeting our goal of 1,000 subscribers means YouTube will begin monetizing our videos. The monetization means that Virtualize Everything will be able to afford more equipment to bring you better, informative projects and improve the quality of your videos. As always, have a good night.